Welcome to Car World. Today we're bringing you something massive, powerful, and absolutely legendary. Meet the 2026 Caterpillar D12 Bulldozer, a machine that defines the future of heavy-duty construction with unmatched strength, smart technology, and a bold presence that screams power from every angle. The D12 isn't just a machine, it's a force of nature. Designed for the toughest jobs on Earth, this bulldozer represents Caterpillar's commitment to innovation, durability, and performance. Right from the moment you lay eyes on it, the 2026 D12 commands respect. Its iconic Caterpillar yellow paint gleams under any light, and the bold black detailing gives it a rugged, battle-ready appearance. The design has been enhanced for better visibility, aerodynamics, and functional strength while still holding on to the classic Cat bulldozer DNA. Under the hood, the D12 is a beast. Powered by a next-generation turbo diesel engine, this bulldozer produces an astonishing amount of torque and horsepower to tackle the harshest terrains and heaviest loads. With advanced fuel efficiency and reduced emissions, Caterpillar has ensured that the D12 is not only more powerful but also more eco-friendly. It's built to meet the latest global environmental standards, making it a future-proof investment for serious construction and mining operations. But strength alone isn't what makes the 2026 D12 special. It's the technology packed into this monster that sets it apart. Caterpillar has integrated its latest smart control systems, allowing for automated blade control, real-time terrain mapping, and advanced telematics. Operators can now control the bulldozer with pinpoint accuracy, reducing human error, improving safety, and dramatically boosting productivity. Whether it's leveling ground or pushing tons of material, the D12 does it faster and more precisely than ever before. Step inside the cabin, and you'll find a level of comfort and control that rivals a luxury SUV. The operator's seat is air-suspended, adjustable, and surrounded by intuitive touch controls, digital displays, and ergonomic levers. It's climate-controlled, sound-insulated, and equipped with 360-degree cameras for total visibility. Caterpillar knows that a comfortable operator is a productive one, and they've built the cabin of the D12 like a command center for ultimate efficiency and ease. Durability has always been a key part of Caterpillar's DNA, and the 2026 D12 takes it even further. The undercarriage has been redesigned with ultra-heavy-duty components that can withstand extreme wear and tear, while the blade and ripper systems are made of high-tensile steel, engineered to last in the most demanding environments. From the frame to the smallest hydraulic fitting, every part of the D12 is made to endure. When it comes to performance, this machine is in a league of its own. It can handle massive workloads continuously without overheating or slowing down. Caterpillar has tested this bulldozer in the most extreme climates, from scorching deserts to icy mountains, and it's passed every test with flying colors. Whether it's clearing a road, carving a mine, or building the foundation of a city, the D12 is built for results. One of the most exciting additions to the 2026 model is Caterpillar's new integrated maintenance system. Using AI and machine learning, the D12 monitors its own performance and alerts the operator when it's time for service. This predictive maintenance reduces downtime and saves money, giving owners more uptime and better return on investment. You no longer have to guess what's going on under the hood. The D12 tells you before a problem happens. For companies that demand power, efficiency, and cutting-edge tech, the 2026 Caterpillar D12 is the ultimate bulldozer. It's not just about moving Earth. It's about moving forward, faster, smarter, and more reliably than ever before. So if you're in the world of construction, mining, or any heavy industrial work, the D12 should be on your radar. It's a game changer in every sense of the word. Thanks for watching this in-depth look at the 2026 Caterpillar D12 Bulldozer. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Car World for more powerful machines, future tech, and exclusive vehicle content. Until next time, stay strong and keep building. Keep